All right, big news coming in from Madhya Pradesh. Congress's Indore candidate dumps the party, joins the BJP just days before polling. Of course, it's a big boost for the BJP, undoubtedly. Remember, in Surat earlier, the BJP had won unopposed, but that situation was slightly different. The Congress candidate there allegedly had discrepancies in his nomination that he had filed. The papers had something that wasn't right, where the Election Commission office decided to scrap his nomination because there were some flaws in it, and therefore the Surat candidate there more or less won without an opposition. The 8 other candidates from Surat, independent ones, withdrew without giving reasons. Here we're looking at in Madhya Pradesh, where the Congress candidate of Indore has decided to switch sides and join the BJP, basically dump the Congress just days ahead of polling in Madhya Pradesh. Big boost undoubtedly for the BJP at this point in Madhya Pradesh's Indore. Let me cut across to Hemendra joining us. Hemendra, in Madhya Pradesh, as the BJP government there has held a tight hold on the assembly segment, they are looking to swing that momentum even into Lok Sabha. You have one of the Indore candidates of the Congress party dumping the grand old party to join hands with the BJP. What is the reason? Has he given any reason to why he's doing this just days ahead of polls? Because he's unlikely to be declared as a candidate from the BJP side. Or is there a possibility?
No, he's not going to be a candidate from the Bharatiya Janata Party side for sure. The Bharatiya Janata Party has already fielded a candidate. Sitting MP Shankar Lalwani is the party's candidate for Indore. He in fact was a very closely associated with the Congress president Jeetu Patwari. He was the one who got a ticket for him. He runs some schools and law school also in Indore, and he's was considered to be the money bag of the Congress party after other money bags left the Congress party in Indore and joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Today, he went to the district returning officer with Ramesh Mendola, who's the local MLA and who's also a very close confidant of Kailash Vijayvargiya, and they went to the district returning officer and withdrew the nomination of Akshay Bam. Thereafter, he went and met Kailash Vijayvargiya, who later tweeted that welcome to BJP, Akshay Bam is now joining Bharatiya Janata Party. So this is the fact that has happened. Why it has happened, what are the reasons behind it? There are certain things that are going on in there. No one has said anything about that with any kind of assurance or conformity. In fact, people are talking about a case, a 307 case, attempt to murder case was added to a previous case. It was a land grab related case, 10-year-old case. But a few days back, district court in Indore said that a section of 307 should be added against Akshay Bam and others who were part of that case. This was in Indore. They had taken land from someone, and then the other party had gone to the police saying that it was forcefully taken away from him. They had issued a check of 50 lakh rupees that bounced, and they got that land transferred in their name without the other person's consent. So this case has also come up, and plus there are rumors doing the rounds that a huge amount of money has exchanged hands, and this probably has been done because probably the Bharatiya Janata Party sensed that there were certain seats in the first and second rounds that they had probably not done very well. So this is some kind of psychological warfare that they are indulging in, and trying to send across a message that the Congress is nowhere in the fray, and the candidates that have been fielded by the Congress party, they are jumping the grand old party and then joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. So now the Congress party or the India Alliance in Madhya Pradesh is contesting only 27 out of 29 seats. Khajuraho also a similar thing happened, and now in Indore the official candidate has withdrawn his nomination. So the total number of seats that the Congress party is contesting or the India Alliance is contesting is 27 out of 29 now.
All right, thanks very much, Hemendra, for joining us on that. For the Congress party, even before polling day, they faced a loss there as their candidate from Indore has decided to dump the grand old party and join hands with the BJP at this crucial stage.